Today I will show you how you can create some fine motor skill activities for your toddlers. They don't cost much and some of them might be even free for you. You can create them out of items you already have at home and you'll probably have to buy some things as well. So let's take a look at how you can create these activities. You will need some plastic containers. I have a few food containers and some cleaning product containers. Here I have a detergent container. I made a big hole on the lid and bought these big pom-poms. My child just loves these. They are colorful and soft. The goal is to drop them into the container. This is a great hand-eye coordination game. The next game is created out of a food container and some bingo chips. I made an opening on the top and the child drops in these poker chips or bingo chips. This is again great for hand-eye coordination. I highly recommend you to buy these chips. They are very versatile and you can use them later on for counting, color sorting, teaching patterns, addition or subtraction. And here I have a baby bottle and some smaller pom-poms. Both of my children love this activity. They have to drop pom-poms inside. The next activity is with a cocoa powder container and some straws. This is my son's favorite game and it is quite challenging for him as straws are soft and openings are small. So it is a great fine motor skill activity. The next activity is very similar to the previous one. I took a food container and made these openings in different directions. I've bought some popsicle sticks and the children have to rotate their wrists in order to drop these popsicle sticks inside. The next activity is playing with buttons. So my son drops in these black and white buttons and he loves the sound of it. You can use buttons like this for color sorting as well. And now I will show you how my son plays with these toys. This will be it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please check my description box for more information. See you next time with more fun activities. Have a nice day.